Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering, home improvement segment. I'm Spiritus, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So in this series, well, first of all, I forgot to record this intro while recording the episode itself. But if you've seen all the other episodes, you know that the renovation of the living room, at least the walls, are coming to an end. So the work now is more about making the room livable, making it clean, less dusty. And so the big thing about the living room, at least in my case, is to have somewhere to sit and work, as well as sit and watch TV. So that's the goal for this episode, to clear out as much as possible and get my TV into the living room. So enjoy.
How I show my love. I made it in my mind because I blame it on my ADD, baby. This is how an angel dies. I blame it on my own supply. I blame it on my ADD, baby. I should cry for help. Maybe I should kill myself. Blame it on my ADD, baby. Maybe I'm a different breed. Maybe I'm not listening. So blame it on my ADD, baby. country, gonna eat a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country, I'm gonna eat me a lot of peaches. Peaches come from a can, they were put there by a man in a factory downtown. If I had my little way, I'd eat peaches every day. Sons of impulses in the sea. I'm moving to the country, I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country, I'm gonna eat me a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country, I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country, I'm gonna eat me a lot of peaches. I took a little nap where the roots untwist, squished a rotten peach in my fist, when dreamed about you, woman. I poke my finger down inside, make a little room for an ant to hide. Nature's candy in my hand, or can, or pie. Peach, 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 peach. Now give me a peach, 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 peach. Now give me a peach, peach, peach. Millions of peaches, peaches for me. Millions of peaches, peaches for free. Millions of peaches, peaches for me. Millions of peaches, peaches for free. Look out! Millions of peaches, peaches for me. Millions of peaches, peaches for free. Millions of peaches, peaches for me. Millions of peaches, peaches for free.
So I think that's it for this episode. As you see, I moved some stuff around. My soon-to-be car seats are a bit more clean and take up less space. I put some stuff that doesn't really need to be in a nice box into a moving box. The table is moved and the TV is in place. So I used these one microfiber and 2 towels when I moved the TV, and I have my cupboards as a temporary TV stand, just while I find out at what height I want the TV. And the first use of the door. So I will for the first time since this room was painted, I will play some Xbox. I wanted to do more, but it's getting not really dark outside, but it's pretty late in the evening, so yeah, I think I would call it today. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye.